Alright, so we are on 2.1, we're talking about circles. So this is the equation of a circle. So it's kind of weird looking, but there's an x and a y in every equation, if you look at the example. And then there's these other numbers that we're going to call h and k, and that's the center of your circle, right here. And then after the equal sign is where you get your radius. So r squared is part of the formula. But here's your radius, here's your center. So in your equation, there's always going to be x and y. So let's look at an example. We want to identify the center and the radius from the equation. So if we have the equation, I'm just going to copy it, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So this looks familiar. There's a y minus a number, there's a number here that could be r, but x doesn't have the parentheses. So we need to add a number in here. If there's no parentheses by x or y, it's really x minus 0 squared. We just want to put that in an equation normally. And then it's still y minus 4 squared equals 25. Okay, so what's h? H is 0, and what's k? Is 4. So hk is equal to 0, 4. And that is the center. Okay, so the center is 0, 4. Now let's look here. R squared is 25. Well, we just want r. The radius is just r. So how do we solve for r here? Think about what's the opposite of a square. Square root. And 25 is a perfect square. If you don't know this off the top of your head, that's okay, use a calculator. But the square root of 25 is 5. So radius is 5, center is 0, 4.